Hi, everyone. We wait for a few minutes for the rest to join us. If you can hear me, type hello or hi or give me a thumbs up, then we can. Let's wait for 200 people. Okay, see whether we can have 200 to join us later. Okay, so hopefully we can get. Okay, wait for another few more minutes. We will start. Okay. Hello, hi everyone. Wow, fantastic. Okay, we are hitting that number. Okay, please, before you start, please like and share this post. Okay, the more you like and the more you share, the more I will do this in the future. Okay, so later let me go and see how many people share this post later. Okay, so please go and like and share this post. Okay, and we will start very soon. Okay. Okay, good evening. Okay. Amos and we have Gabriel. Okay, let's get started. Okay, context very easy. Today we just want to look at the China market, okay, and also the Hong Kong market. If we have more time, then we will we scan for some stocks, okay, because there was some request to do live trading, okay, for those existing SMT graduates, right? Some of your for the last 3 times, I think 3 out of 3, the last 3 times, every time we did, the very next day or the very next 2 days, we are profitable already. So the group asked, hey, can we do one live for the old graduates? Okay. So, but first thing first, whatever I share with you all is for education purpose, not advised to buy and sell. Okay, please type yes if you agree. And please like and share this post. Okay, the more you share this post or the more you like this post is better. Okay, let's pick the Angmo S. Yes. Okay, so okay, let's get started. I think the context is more of the Hong Kong market first. Okay, so we do a Hong Kong market, we do a US market first. Okay, I think majority of you are SMT graduates. So beginning of this week, I mentioned weakening of the tech. Do you all notice that this week the tech has been weak? Yes or no? Do you notice that the tech has been weak relative to the other markets? If you notice that the Nasdaq has been weaker compared to the other market, like even yesterday, the market was weaker. Okay, the market was weaker. Yes or no? Okay, you will see that how it dropped. Right, the market is actually weaker. Okay, so okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Wow, we got 4 people. Fantastic. Okay, how I want to do this? Let's do first. We do a thorough analysis of the Hang Seng Index and also the China market first. Okay, I think this is the priority first. Okay, for me, this is the priority. Okay, because I see there is opportunity. Okay, I see there's opportunity right now in the China market. Okay, you can hear me, right? Yes or no? Okay. Okay. Let's move on. Okay, so market is down. Okay, now let's take a look at. Let's do I will spend a little bit more time on here to show you. You can see this screen over here. I think can see the screen, right? Okay, so let's take a step backwards. Okay, let's take a step backwards to the weekly charts. Okay, so this is the weekly chart of the 500 A50. Okay, this is CFD. This is CFD. Okay, so do you all notice that? Is it loud and clear? Okay, if you all notice that, okay, you will notice that this part, okay, this is the resistance of in 2015. Okay, 2015 is a resistance. I think the market broke out of the resistance. Okay, over here, can you see the market broke out resistance over here? Okay, and then it ran up. Okay, it broke resistance again, then ran up. Okay, so this is the major resistance. This is 2015. Okay, this is 2015. Prior to that was the 2013 high, and then it breaks 1 week or so. Okay, break 1 week or so, and after 1 week it rested. Okay, and then it continue to break higher. Okay, so that is how it works. Okay, break resistance, go to next resistance over here, retrace, break resistance, test resistance over here. This was 2015. Okay, 2015. Then next one is over here. Next resistance was over here. This was in 2018. Okay, this is in 2018. Okay, this is in 2018. And clearly, okay, and clearly right now, you can see over here in 2020, we have broken this resistance. Yes or no? Okay, we have broken this resistance. And on top of that, okay, on top of that, you notice that we can also draw a trend line. We can also draw a trend line all the way from here upwards. Okay, we can see that the lows are generally higher, and the high has been resisted at this point. Okay, so this is a weekly chart, guys. Okay, so this is significant because this is 5 years chart. Okay, from here to here, this is a 5 years chart. So to me, this is very significant. Okay, so right now price has moved up above this resistance. We can see the resistance whether it is here, okay, whether it's here or here. Okay, the resistance around here. It can even be slightly lower, but that is the resistance. Okay, so normally when we say a break of resistance, how do we know that it is a confirmation of a break of resistance? Okay, how do we know that this resistance is confirmed a break already? Okay, it's very simple. Okay, we need two close. Okay, I'll draw here. We need two close, okay, of the chart above the resistance. Okay, so can we see, is there at least two close above the resistance? So the one close over here, the price close above the resistance. The second close was here above the resistance. So actually we got 2 or 3 close above the resistance already. Yes or no? Okay, if yes, give me a thumbs up. Okay, or like and share this button. Do we see we have at least 2 closes above this major resistance? Okay, and so these are all to me significant. All these are significant to me. Number one, break of a 5-year resistance. Number two, okay, a lower high on a long-term trend. Number three, too close above the resistance. So all these are significant things to tell me, hey, something is happening in China. Do you follow what I'm saying? The last time when this happened, when there's a break of resistance, okay, was around here. In 1415, this thing caused this to run, right, from here all the way up 60%. Okay, maybe you cannot see, but it caused the thing to run up about 60% after it broke the resistance. Okay, after it broke the resistance, it ran up 60%, 60%. Okay, so when this thing happened, I think 1 week they say, okay, about the China market. Then next week they change their mind. They say, hey, now China market is overvalued. They're trying to talk it down again. Normal. Okay, so trying to talk it down a bit. But if we can see from the chart, okay, this is different. Okay, this is a break of the resistance. Even though they talk it down again, it's still above the resistance. Yes or no? Okay. Okay, this is the A50. Okay, this A50. Please like and share the button. Okay, then we can do more. Okay, so I'm spending quite a lot of time on the China market because I feel this is a significant event. Okay, a break of a fire trend does not happen every day. Okay, a break of a fire resistance does not happen every day. Okay, so something that is important. Okay. Okay, so what are the things want to look out for in China? Okay, in China, okay, we have seen the tech. Okay, we all see the tech in US, yes or no? We have seen the tech in US already. So now want to look for tech in China. Do you follow what I'm saying? Tech in China. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Look out for tech in China. Tech in China is going to be bigger than tech in US even. Okay, the market is bigger, the customer is bigger. There are more. Do you know, right? The market they have is much bigger, and the people are much more savvy. Okay, in China than in US or any part of the world. So you have a big market, you have people who are savvy. So do look up for tech in China. Okay. This is just big picture, guys. Okay, the individual charts, please go and look up your individual chart setup. Okay, individual chart setup. So I'm not recommending particular stock, but I want to give you a big picture first. Okay, the China market will move up. Second, tech in China, because tech, they have more people, more customers. People are more willing to try technology, even compared to US and other countries. Okay, so take note of that. Okay, any questions so far? Okay, please like and share this post. Okay, and if you're in late, right, whatever I share is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. Okay, so next, we go into the Hang Seng. Okay, we go on Hang Seng. Okay, so like what I say, since Monday, I don't know whether you all managed to see this on Monday webinar. During our normal Monday webinar graduates meeting, I mentioned this already. I mentioned that there is a possible shift away from tech. Yes or no? I mentioned there's a possible shift away from tech into value. Okay, so do look out for that. This was actually I posted Monday. Who was in the webinar this Monday? I think SMT graduate will be in the webinar. Okay, so we actually talk about this on Monday. Oh, this was actually 4 days ago. Okay, then we talk about China pullback as expected. Tech may remain weak. Yes or no? This week tech is weaker. Yes or no? Since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, today, even today, it's weak. Okay, it's weak. Okay, so these are the weak stocks. Okay, so okay, now let's go into SMT. Yes, let's do SMT call. If you recommend SMT to your friends, can you all please type in SMT? Let's do a bit of advertisement. This thing will be recorded. Okay, it will be in the members area. This time SMT, if you recommend SMT to your friends. Okay, actually I do this for graduate but you're also enthusiastic. Okay, do for the rest also. Okay. Actually I do this for graduates because your China market now you're panic, right? So don't need to panic. Okay, do this. Okay. Got it. Okay, let's before we go into this, let me just shift back one more thing. Okay, so must hold it a bit. Okay. Okay, so if you want to join us, these people who are not SMT graduate, you want to join us, go ahead and click on this link, and that's where you can join us. Hey guys, I appreciate you all for where am I? Okay, I'm lost. Okay, a lot. Okay, so I will stop because there's a lot. Okay, there's another maybe a lot more. Okay, thank you guys. There's a lot more. Okay, so let's come back again. For the Hang Seng, the China haven't finished yet. Okay, let's go into the daily charts right now. Okay, let's go into daily charts. So just now we will look at the weekly charts, yes or no? We are looking at the weekly charts. Now let's go into daily charts. Okay, so daily charts, we can see the two MAs. Yes or no, guys? Okay, these are the two MAs. We have the 20 MA, and then we have the 40 MA. Yes or no? We have these two MAs over here. So right now the trend is uptrend or downtrend or reversal. That means, do you think right now is a consolidation or is it a reversal? What do y'all think? Okay, so it is not a reversal, at least not yet. Okay, not a reversal. Okay, look at this move over here. This move is a very powerful up move. Yes or no? Okay, it up from here, right, all the way up to here. It took only like 4 days to up 20%. 4 days are up 20%. Guys, must rest a while. You get or not? Went up 4 days, 20%. Okay, after 4 days, it must rest a while. But because of this big move up, that's why the resistance, is, we crack the resistance. Do y'all follow what I'm saying? Okay, Jen, I hear you. Okay, I will try to do one in the future, not Tuesday one. Okay, can y'all see? But because of this big move, that's why it managed to crack above the resistance. You got it? Okay, so right now we have this break of the resistance and price coming back to test. Okay, coming back to test. So resistance becomes a support. Okay, resistance becomes a support. Okay, where is the support? Okay, I would say the previous support, the closest one is actually here. There's the closest support. If you zoom backwards again some more, then there is another support over here. Okay, which is more significant. Okay, this nearer one is more significant than the further one, but nearer one is more significant than the further one because people memory, they remember the nearer one. Okay, but in either case, okay, if you even go to the long term, right, you go to 5 years ago, that price, right, it is still around this area. Do you all follow what I'm saying? If you look at the daily charts, it's even more obvious the change of the trend. Okay, because if it is not, if this is a resistance area, somewhere around here, it will have turned down already. Do you follow what I'm saying? But there was a very impulsive wave up to show you that, hey, no longer, the resistance no longer hold already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, it's a consolidation. Okay, so it's a consolidation back into the price. Okay, so the price, I think most graduates know, right? It touched the first setup. Okay, the first setup was here when the CCI was low. Okay, the first setup was here. It didn't swing high, which is expected because it went up 20%. Okay, 20%. So they went in a swing over here. Okay, the break of resistance is over here. Can y'all see this? The break of resistance over here. Okay. So break of resistance over here. You can see the CCI. The CCI was below over here, and then it break the prior day high over here. And then there was a swing. Okay, yes or no? There was a swing. Okay, so there was a 1, 2, 3. 3-day swing, 4. 4-day swing. Don't exceed 5-day gana already. Do you follow what I'm saying? But at least there was a 3-day up move. Yes or no? There was a 3-day up move. Okay, if you're doing swing, you only got 5 days. Yes or no? So that is the context of the daily charts right now. Okay, the context of the daily charts right now. So if you are doing swing, okay, you enter here, your stop loss here, okay, then maybe a 1-to-1 risk, you can take some. 1-to-1 risk, you can take some. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, can you see? So 1-to-1 risk, you can take some. Just how somebody, Susan was asking, how to take profit. Wow, very difficult to explain how to take profit. Got money, take. Okay. So got money, take progressively because you only have 5 days. It's a clock running down, you know. So you need to take, okay, you cannot take on the 3rd day, you take on the 4th day, you cannot take on the 4th day, don't wait until 5th day then take. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so let me move on. So can y'all see the context right now? So if you are going to Traders GPS, also the same thing. Okay, if you want to be very like using system, okay, 2823, 2822, both you can use. Okay, using Trader GPS, you can see that this is what's happening right now. Okay, this is the consolidation move. This is the up move. Candlestick is still blue. Yes or no? Candlestick is still a blue candlestick. Okay, no red candlestick. Okay, whether you use 2822 or 2823, which is both ETF. Okay, both ETF. You can also see that this part is also blue. Okay, it's also blue. In fact, if you can see here, it's far from my MA, my zero line. Okay, it's far from my zero line. This price is here right now. The com is here. It's very far from my zero line. Okay, which is also tell me that this momentum here is strong. Do you follow what I'm saying? That's why you have this move over here. You have this thief over here to tell that this is a strong impulse. Okay, this is a strong impulse. Okay, this is not a parabolic trend. Okay, I mentioned many times already, this is not a parabolic trend. Okay, a parabolic trend is when you have a consolidation. Okay, I mentioned many times already, consolidation after a prolonged uptrend. Okay, I would say 1 year maybe. Okay, then it goes parabolic trend. So this is not a parabolic trend. This is more a break of resistance. Okay. So parabolic trend is not like that. Parabolic trend is after a very long uptrend already, then it goes into after a long uptrend, when you break the resistance, then it go up, then parabolic. Do you follow what I'm saying? This is not parabolic trend. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Is it okay? I think when you go drill down to the daily chart, it's clearer. Okay, drill down to the daily chart is clearer. Okay, what will change this view? Actually, if you ask me, it must. So the news is confusing, guys. Okay, notice or not, the news is confusing because the news is telling you, oh, now we are in trade war, things like that. Okay, but if you were to look at the charts, trade war, no trade war, it is still above the resistance till today. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so you understand the thing of trade war. Got it? Okay, the thing about trade war. Okay, so trade war, no trade war is still above that. Okay, so this is something that you need to take note. Okay, can I move on? This is recorded. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so let's go to Hang Seng Index. Okay, this Hang Seng Index. Okay, this is daily charts. Okay, the daily charts. Hang Seng Index, of course, relative to China Index, Hang Seng is weaker. Okay, so we have the up move here. Okay, we have the break of resistance over here. Okay, price goes up, come down. Okay, the challenging thing is it breaks the 40 MA. Can you see here? It breaks the 40 MA. Okay, but it's not downtrend. Okay, if it's downtrend, meaning to say this 2 MA must slope down. Okay, like somewhere like this. Okay, MA slope down like this. Okay, right now it's not sloped down. Yes or no? Okay, it's not sloped down. It's still sloped up. Got it? Okay, so that is the Hang Seng. Okay, so if you are a bit longer term, don't be so concerned, guys. Okay, don't be so concerned about the move. Okay, so right now price is hovering around. This is not as strong, okay, as the China market right now. It's not as strong as China market, but I think there will be some spillover effect later. Okay. Any question on Hang Seng? Okay. If not, we can do a screener. Okay, we can do a screener. Look for some stocks. Okay, before we look for some stocks, can you all please like and share again? Okay, okay, any question? Please like and share the post. If you have not liked, please give me a thumbs up. Okay. Okay, so let me move on. Okay, so let's go into a scanning. Okay, let's go into scanning. Look for some China stocks. Look for some US stock. Frankly, I tell you, I'm not familiar. I'm not familiar with China stocks, okay, or even Hong Kong stocks. I'm not familiar, okay. But I think I will focus a little bit more on China this season, okay. But I tell you, I'm not familiar, okay. So please go and do your research, okay. Whatever I share with you, wow, all this all limit up one, limit up, limit up, limit up, limit up, limit up. Oh, crazy. China market is crazy one, okay. Wow, is it all like that? Okay. Let's look for arrow number 1. Okay, let's this one. Wow. Okay. Also strong. Okay, let's look for arrow number 1. Flying tech. See, can fly or not? Okay. Okay, guys are not familiar with all this. Wow, this one cannot. This one is too noisy already. Okay, too noisy. So if you see something like that, right? Oh yeah, the NIPO are also checking also. Okay. Yeah, also checking. Okay, actually Hong Kong IPO, right? There's a way to make money one. Okay, there is what we call a gray market, and only 10% of stocks, right, is actually to public. 90% is by placement one. Okay, so if you know people in the brokers, they can give you placement shares, and you really know, because of the gray market, you really know what is going to be the IPO price, of roughly know what is going to be the IPO price. If you have a relationship with the brokers, you can take tranche. Okay, but the only thing is must have ticket size. The ticket size minimum is 200,000 US. That's one ticket. Okay, and they can give you margin also. So give you margin, give you placement, and if you got relationship, you can also do the Hong Kong market. Okay, but one pop is 200,000. Okay, usually okay. According to the pitch, 7 out of 10 will pop okay. Because recently one of the China brokerage come and talk to us. Okay, so all these are a strong trend. Okay, guys. Okay, but a bit run already. Okay, because prior to this, we have not looked at the market. Okay, if you have any stocks you want to take a look, feel free to type below. Okay. Meanwhile, I try to find for you all. Okay, so this is arrow number 1. Okay, let's do a 6-month high. Yes or no? Is this a 6-month high, guys? Oh, this is a 6 months high. Yes or no? Okay, so you mark the 6-month high. This, if it pop, it will go higher. You got it? 600223. Okay. This one, if it pop, it will go higher. Okay, how high? Higher lah. Got it? People trade. 600223. Okay. Lao Shang Property. Okay. Got write down or not? People trade. Okay, paper trade. You cannot real trade and paper trade. Lao Shang Property. If y'all can remind me in the future, I will forget this one. Okay, but y'all can remind me in the future. Okay. 6 months. Yeah, all these are breaking out. Some of these stocks are the only. Okay, do you notice some of the stocks is like that? They have been dead for a while. Can you see a lot of stocks has been like all dead for a while? Or just now we saw a lot of stocks, right? All these stocks was dead for a while. Okay, like not moving for a while, and only like June period suddenly the volume all shoot up. Okay, all the volume all shoot up. Okay, so you see these stocks are all dead for a while already. All dead for a while, and after this all became alive. Okay. Okay, so let's look at the stocks. Okay, rather than my stocks. Okay, so I got one 60026. That one, just not that one. Okay, Lao Shan. Okay. Is there a Xiaomi? Guys, I'm not familiar. Okay, so I trust you. Okay. Xiaomi also not bad, right? It's 6 months. Okay, 1 year. Okay, 6 months, 6 months high. Okay, it broke the 6 months high when it was about here. Yes or no? Got it? Type yes if you can see the 6 month high, it was break around here. Oh, so this was the break of the 6 month high. Okay, how many valid arrow? So we have one valid arrow here, which is the arrow with teeth. Okay, this one no count, no count, no count. This one second valid arrow. And third valid arrow. Okay, so we have 3 valid arrow already. Okay, so all this third valid arrow and then break 6 month high. Okay, even if break 6 month high, the 4th valid arrow, all these are not bad. Okay, not bad stocks. Okay, so right now it broke already. Now coming back to retest. Okay, so you can see the MA. Can see on my 2040 MA supported here, my CCI low, then rebound, CCI low. Okay, rebound, CCI low, rebound. Right now, CCI low again. Okay, so all this waiting for rebound. Okay, you can even swing this if you want. Got it? Not too high. Okay, not too high. Okay, all this can, if you want to swing, you can swing. You want to do Trader GPS a bit late because Trader GPS already how many signal? Already 1, 2, already 1, 2, 3 or 4 signal already. Okay, so a bit late. 4 valid signal already. Got it? Okay. 4 valid, but you can still swing. Okay, you can still swing this stock. Next swing will be the trigger above here. Okay, stop loss below there. Okay, so that the swing. But for new people, maybe not advisable to swing. Okay. Next one is 9988. Alibaba. Okay. Okay, Alibaba, same thing. Okay. So if you can follow Trader GPS, it's better. Okay, because you get in earlier. Okay. So example, there are buy signal over here. This is aggressive entry. This is the first valid arrow with teeth. Okay, then no count. This is second valid arrow with teeth. Then here is the third valid arrow with teeth. So 3 arrow with teeth already. Okay, so this is the 4th arrow with teeth already. Got it? All this a bit late already lah. Okay, a bit late. Since when? Since first arrow with teeth went up about 11-12%. Got it? Okay. If you were to look at the bar in US, okay, look at the bar in US. Then you can also see the signal. First, second, third arrow with teeth. Okay, you can also see the signal. But all this, I think, still got legs to go on. Okay, still got legs to go. Okay. Any more? 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 8. All right. Yeah, this one also not bad. Okay, so break resistance. Okay, if you click 6 months high, it just broke the 6 months high over here. So usually when you see a stock like break 6 month high with arrow with teeth, it's usually good one. Yes or no? You all notice that? Okay, if a stock break 6 month high, arrow with teeth, usually good one. So this is maybe a bonus. Okay, just take note of that. Okay, so right now break high already coming back down to retest. Okay. Okay, I see whether I can find some more stocks. Okay, guys. Hong Kong. Rather than let you all choose, I choose for you all. Okay. So rank by month, find what stocks. New World Development. 117. Wow, that cannot. So messy one. Cannot. What happened to the stock? Where's the stock? Okay, but then cannot. Okay, so let me go to the next one. This one cannot, right? Okay, let's go to microware group. Okay, this one's still not bad, I think. Okay, all these are, guys, it's not parabolic. Okay, say one more time, right? This is not parabolic trend. Okay, how come this one don't have filter? I thought of filter already. Hong Kong, wrong. Hong Kong, let me put $1. $1. Okay, I think okay. Okay, I'll put $1 as the minimum price. Okay, $1 as minimum price. You can adjust if you want to. Okay. Microware, right? Guys, this is not parabolic. Okay, say one more time. This is not parabolic. Parabolic is after long-term uptrend already, then go parabolic. Okay, this is not parabolic. Okay, this if you see is like downtrend already. Okay, then like the first move up. This is not parabolic. Got it? Can say already because I say many times already. Okay. Got it? Okay, so this, I think this one's still not bad. Okay, 1985. Okay, 1985, all these stocks, I think got potential to go higher. Okay, what they do, I don't know. Okay, go and trade. Okay, go and find out. This one say what? The best stock in the world, 6000519. This one very long already lah. Oh, last arrow active here, arrow active here. Oh, since here, first arrow active, which is here already up 35% already. Okay, but you'll notice some of these stocks are, guys, it is like last time is not heading anywhere. Right now, it's like the first push. A lot of stocks is like that. Got it? Okay, a lot of stocks is like that. 700 is 10 cents, I think. 10 cents, right? Okay. So first arrow active was here also. Due date is up about 30% already. Okay. About 30%. Okay. So do watch out. Okay. So even like those not in the brand name also can look at it already. Okay. So don't need to be the branded name. Okay. See whether you can find the next Zoom or not. Oh, got it? See whether you can find the next Zoom, because Zoom in February was not so hot, but now it's so hot, right? Yes or no? Okay, so our challenge is to find the next Zoom. This is also not bad, right? Okay, so but you see it, right? This one arrow active since April. Okay, April there was arrow active. Here also have. This one don't have, but this one no selling, right? Because it didn't break the low. Okay. This one also don't have. Okay, so all this big run already. But I think all this still got legs to go. Okay. 2013. So again, just now that one also not parabolic trend. Okay, guys. These are not parabolic trend. Okay. Same thing. Okay, it's like consolidate, right? After consolidate, now it's like the first burst up. Can you see? It's not like after a long-term uptrend then go high, go as steep. Okay, these are all like consolidating for a few months, like 5-6 months, then it breaks up. Okay, so this is like the first move. Got it? Okay. See whether I can do some value add or not. Another thing you can take note is the volume, guys. Okay, when you want to learn about where is the interest, right? Look at the volume also. So if the volume, okay, the volume, interest of the volume, where is it? Okay, so this one not very clear. Okay, but sometimes you can see that during the burst up, the volume is very high. Okay, that tells you that the indication. Maybe later you can see some of the stocks. Okay, I'll leave the volume there. Okay, so later you can see some of the stocks. So on the breakout day, the other one is a breakout day, right? On the breakout day, if the volume is there, that means the volume is true. Got it? On the breakout day, if the volume is there, that means the breakout is true. So that's to share with you all this. Okay, all this a bit run already, yes or no? Oh, this one since arrow since here. First arrow active was here. Oh, so 33% already. So even if you break intraday 6-month high, right? It's around here. Click 6 months, right? It breaks 6-month high around here. Yes or no? Around here, it broke 6-month high already. Okay, so that's the reason why you want to look at 6-month high. Also, if you are doing trader GPS, parabolic doesn't matter. Okay, like what is a stock that we are in right now that is parabolic already? What is a stock that is we are in right now that is parabolic? You all remember that? What stock here is parabolic, eh? I think ZGDSG is not parabolic. No. Our stock. What is our stock that's parabolic already? Cook maybe? No, PSF, not yet. Okay. Maybe this one. Okay. But you don't go and anticipate. You don't go and anticipate. This one also happened actually. Okay. Don't get anticipate. This one also happened. Okay. It's like the break of the resistance and then still not yet. Okay. Good. If it's not parabolic, it's good. Okay. ZM. Let's take a look at ZM. So when a stock is parabolic, one of the clue is also it's very regularly in the news. It's very regularly in the news. So when a stock is very regularly in the news, right, then it start to go parabolic. Okay. Actually, if you look at this one, also not yet. So you still can draw. You still can draw a channel. Yes or no? You still can draw a channel. Got it? Which is good if you are in it. Okay, like us, right? We are in it since 17 February. Oh, we are in it since 17 February. So if we are in it, right, since then, right, we just hang on. Okay, right now this is what 100. What last few days drop 162%. But still hang on. Haven't go very steep yet. Okay, haven't go very steep yet. Oh, Pinduoduo's red candle already, guys. Oh, Pinduoduo red candle already. Oh, we got in since 11th of May. Oh, please, if it today break low, then sell, right? 11th of May was here. 11th of May is here. Okay lah, we can lock in about 40%. Who still have PDD? Type PDD. Who still owning PDD? Okay, 40% over a period of 2 months, 2.5 months. Okay lah, good lah. Yes or no? Nobody having PDD. I don't believe. Sure, a lot of people have PDD. Okay, so mark the low, guys. Okay, mark the low. If we break below the low, get out. Okay, then you lock in about 30%. Okay, nobody have PDD. I don't believe. So many have, right? Or you're not here. Okay, or you're sell already. You're so good. 15%. Okay lah, not bad. Okay. Any other signal candle rate already? I don't think so, right? The rest haven't read yet. PAAS also haven't done read yet. PAAS. Oh, this one quite good, good run, okay? Hang on to the stock. No need to do anything. No need to trade. No need to do anything. Just hang on. Okay? So, yeah, okay, finally got some more people have. Okay? So, remember, if your sell signal come up, you want to sell and lock in your profit. Okay, so this is not bad. Okay, initially was bad, yes or no? When we first got in, didn't move. Okay, this one 1st of June. This one PAS, right? Starting at time very slow. Yes or no? Some people wait until sian already. 1st of June, it went in here, then it went down some more. And then finally it went up, and then now we are up about, not bad, guys. Since 1st of June also got 18%. Yes or no? Who still have PAAS? PAAS, who's still holding PAAS? Oh, so this one still not bad. Still hang on, guys. Okay. If you have type PAS, okay. And if you want to recommend SMT to people, we have 700 people. Wow, where these people come from? Okay, so if you all have recommend SMT, can you type in SMT? Okay, actually I do this not for public today. I just do for graduates. Okay, guys. So Hong Kong market, just to summarize. Okay, if you can look at it. Okay, look at the tech. Look at the tech. The tech will be interesting. Okay, IPO you can, but IPO don't have chart to see. Okay, but even the old school tech or even the new school tech, you can all go and take a look. Okay, bottom line, you must be able to have have a system. Yes or no, guys? I think by now you all know why is it important to have a system. Yes or no? When you have a system, you can write the trend. Okay, you can write the trend out. Okay, so Beyond Meat exit already, guys. Okay, sorry, I didn't remove. Beyond Meat we exit already. BYND we exit already. Okay, this one lose money. Okay, all red candle already, exit already. Got it? The rest to still be here lah. Only the sound the cook, right? Okay, next week, next Monday, we will see whether to remove it. Okay. Okay, any other question pertaining to the Hong Kong China market? I will do tomorrow night, right, guys? Tomorrow night I will be getting the CEO of Tokenized Exchange to do an interview. Okay, it's at 8 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, I bought Ethereum, I bought Chainlink, both also super hot. You all know that? Oh, my Chainlink and the other one, Chainlink I sold already. But this one, I bought this Chainlink. I think some of you all know it on Facebook, right? Very hot, I tell you. I bought it somewhere around here, I think. Oh, from here to here is 30%. Wow, 70%, 80%, guys. Go look at look at the public Facebook, okay? Very hot, this one. And the other one was Ethereum. Ethereum just broke up, just broke out only. That's why I want to do this tomorrow. Okay, I want to do this tomorrow. Okay, so go and prepare your bullet. Okay, I think can put 10%. Just broke out only. Okay, I bought it around here. Around here. Around this price. 238 like that. Okay. I tell Chris from Crypto SG, right? I just tell him like less than 24 hours, boom, the thing runs already. Okay. So tomorrow 8 p.m. Be there. Okay. You all can see on the Facebook group. Okay. I will do an interview with Tokenized Exchange. Okay, CEO of Tokenized Exchange. His name is Chi. Very nice guy. Okay. They are actually not in the finance space. They are more in the cryptocurrency space. But I'm from the trading space, you see. So when I see trading and I see crypto, I say, wow, this one bao jia one. Really, okay, because they are from the tech space and the crypto space. You see all these are very obvious one, okay? You see this Chainlink is very obvious one. Yes or no? Okay, so it was on the public Facebook group. Okay, you're going to check the public Facebook group. It's very obvious one. Okay. From here, I broke out. Crazy, the rent went up to 70%. I didn't capture 70%. I captured maybe half. Still good. Yes or no? Okay. Bitcoin maybe not. Bitcoin maybe not. Not Bitcoin. Okay. Ethereum, right, is the thing that I'm looking at. Okay. And some of the other more interesting coins. Okay. 3GPS don't have maybe later. Okay, later. But not now. Okay. Yes, we're going to talk about basically how to open an account, how to get yourself involved. Guys, also very new, okay? That day I post the Chainlink one, it's like the first time I buy crypto, okay? But I go and learn, go and learn, go and talk to people, talk to talk to people, then you learn. And it is so much easier compared to last time. Last time is so complicated, man. Nowadays it's so much easier to compare to last time. Okay, so tomorrow I will show you how to do it. Okay, and I think in the next 5 years, okay, you need to be in that space if you want to have like good returns. Okay, this was actually before the breakout. Okay, you see, this is actually 505. Can you see 5050? 5050. Okay, I call stupid money. 5050. Now it's what? 5050 is around here. Okay, 50 actually lower. 5050 around here. Oh, I got it around here. Got it. To date, it's went up 61%, as high as 84%, as high as 90%. Okay, I got in this one, and I got in the other one was Ethereum. You can see, right? I follow up what that I got in 35% only. Okay, but I went up to 75%. Okay, Ethereum is another one. Okay, so this one must take a look also. These are long-term trend. Okay, these are long-term things you must look out for. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to be there. I think it will be interesting. Any other things you all want to do? Trader GPS won't be on crypto yet. I think a bit not too early. But I think can chart on crypto, definitely. Definitely, it's not difficult. You see, even you use your 2040 MA, you can apply one. Okay, same thing. Let's say, for example, here, you learn your swing trade, right? Like that, then swing up. It can apply one. Okay. Okay, I think I won't go through the individual stocks anymore. Thank you guys for being here. Almost 1 hour already. Tomorrow I will cover where to open up crypto account. This one don't need to put a lot of money. Maybe put 10%, 20%, 10%. Maybe for start to 10%. And see how it goes. Okay, but I think this is interesting. Okay, this is an interesting trend. Okay, how to see 6 month high? Go to here, click on 6 months, or click on 6 months, and then you get a 6 month high. Got it? Cannot. You all still want to do the swing trade US market? Li Ching got trade correct size or not? Don't trade too small. I told you already, right? Trade the correct size. The R must be at least $200 lah. Oh, cannot trade too small. Too small cannot cover brokerage. Okay, so you want to trade the US market or not? Okay lah. Do a quick one. Okay, Nasdaq. You do swing, okay, guys. Whatever I share for your is education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. Type yes again, okay. Let's do a swing, see whether we can see any stocks to swing today. Zoom, first stock to swing. This one better not, okay? Well, actually, this one will be challenging because I tell you what, I do fast one, okay? Because if not, it will take the whole day. I do fast one, Actually, all these can, this one maybe, okay, this one, okay. This one not bad. REGN. It's our stock lah. Yes or no? REGN is our stock. Here. REGN since 2nd of March. Today can swing, REGN. Okay. See the setup? Okay. I think maybe look for another 1 or 2 more candles down. Okay. Wait for it to break prior day high. That will be the trigger. Okay. REGN. You got it? Got it, ZM, why don't want ZM? Because ZM here, right, is because it formed a lower high. Yes or no? You see this CCI, this CCI, this CCI low, coming to CCI low. So this part, right, it formed a lower high. Understand? So don't like. Okay, whereas just now that one, the REGN, right? REGN still recent high. Yes or no? Can you see? This one still consider recent high. Understand or not? That, yes, if you understand. Okay, so that is how you see recent high. Okay, I'll go through quickly. REGN right now. This one, some of them haven't triggered. Skip, okay, guys. This one also not bad, but all this need to wait for candles to slow down. Okay, if the candle still going down, don't trade. Okay, candle still going down, don't trade. So you need to wait for it to slow down. That means it must be maintained above this candlestick. Okay, maybe a short candle like that. Then next candle trigger like that. Then you buy on this candle. Understand? Right now it's still on the way down. It's open here, close here, open here, close here, open here, close here. So momentum is still on the way down. So it must stop dropping. Yes or no? It must stop dropping. Then small candle already, then trigger, then go this way up. Okay, TXN also not bad. Okay, but you must wait for it to stop dropping, reverse, then trade. Must, because sometimes it can just go past the 40 MA. Okay, can write down because I will forget. RGN, of course, must wait lah. Guys, RGN must wait, okay? What are you waiting for, RGN? Okay, waiting for it to break the high. Got it? Waiting for it to break the high. Next, let me move on because if not, it's very long. This one. This one also not bad. Okay, all these are on the way down. You must wait for it to bounce. I hope by now you know what is bounce. It must bounce. Okay, bounce meaning to say it must touch the line, bounce above the prior day high, then you fire. Or like example, touch the line already, must bounce, must go back up, then you fire. Here also same, must go back up. So CCI low already, right? You must go above. Okay, now it's still on the way down. So you don't know if it goes above, let's say a small candle here, break above, then you fire. Okay, BMRN. Okay. This one all cannot, right? Because forming lower high. Got it? Can you see all this forming lower high? Oh, CCI here, lower high already. Last one. No enough stocks already, right? All this also not bad, okay? But this one a bit gappy, but same thing. Okay, so when the stock is very strong uptrend like that, see, can you see this one very strong uptrend, a strong impulse here? So sometimes it will not pull back to the this 20 MA. Okay, you see the CCI here already low. Okay, but it haven't pulled back to my 20 MA. So you can use the 10 MA. Okay, you can use the 10 MA. Okay, but again, must wait for it to bounce. Break prior candle high. Okay, enough, guys. My TA not so powerful lah. I'm just like anybody else. TTD. Okay, last one. Okay, then we go back already. Okay, I just watched some episode of Suits. Do you all watch Suits? I like it because the Harvey Specter are so power one. Okay. Okay. This one cannot also because this one didn't make new high. Got it? So you must like make new high like that. Better. Got it? PTD, right? Can go back to PTD rate signal. How to know when to close? Ayo, you don't know when to close. Ayo. Must take cane, right? Don't know how to close. Okay, guys, how to close this? Wait for the candle, break this low candle, the low of this candle. The low is 78.4. Anything below 78.4 today, you close. Understand? Can I? Yeah, later season not so good. But never mind lah. I sucker. Okay. Okay. Enough lah, guys. Almost 1 hour plus already. Mark the low, okay? Who asked? How come we don't know PTT? Mark the low, okay? Please, in the graduates group, please go and help the rest, okay? Please go and help the rest that they are new, okay? Recently got a lot of new graduates, so go and help them. Okay, so go and help them. If you don't know, then ask in the group. They are not graduate. Not graduate, then don't find tips here, okay, guys? Must learn how to do it yourself. If not, go and join SMT. Okay, guys, go and join SMT, okay? Learn how to do it long term, okay? Don't look for tips. Okay, guys? If not, then thank you very much, guys. Wow, still have a question. 6 month high already mentioned, right? Click here, 6 months, then see this point here. Is it the highest in the last 6 months? Okay, I'm not going to ask in the graduates. Okay, if not, then see y'all. Bye-bye. Don't want to answer, yeah, because so many questions. Why wait for the bounce? Of course, must wait for the bounce. Because it must wait for it to trigger the previous day high. Yes or no? It must trigger the previous day high. Means we don't set stop entry. Yeah, but we must set stop entry. Ayo, how come you all don't know? Are you SMT graduate? You must wait for it to break the previous day high, then can enter. Like what was? Let's say this one. So it is like that, right? So it will like this way will go this way like that, right? So it must wait for it to turn. So how to know that it turned, right? Is how to know that it's turned. It must have a candle that is above the previous candle. That means like this. Okay. If it's above the previous candle like this, then it's a trigger. Then you put a stop loss. If it doesn't, if it goes like that, then what you do, you will mark this new day high and wait for next day to entry. Okay, Masa, guys. Okay, this one is basic. Never ending. Okay. If not, then thank you very much. Okay, I end already. Thank you. See y'all. Bye. The video is live one. Okay, so go and see the video. Okay. Thanks. Bye. Wish you all good luck. Okay, so don't be so concerned. I see the graduate group like, wow, now already very concerned about the Hong Kong market. Okay. Thank you. See you on Monday. 10:30. Bye-bye.